can't be fucked with, no. Ho, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, my money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Me know people get me over there, so I can feel it. But anyways, guys, if you're new here, just hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel because you won't regret it. Period. So today, you see me look crazy. I literally just don't wash my hair. I kind of blow dry look at it, and I'm gonna do my hair and my eyebrow because I've been feeling a mess lately. But anyways, may I get that sauce out and just say, you know what? I'm going to take you guys with me. So why not take you guys? I look crazy right now, but guys, may I use one.
Snapchat name again. I remember.
Your girl, I'm just watching. Something like that. May I use something on my face, like the brush something, and it really work. Look on that. My skin look clean. What me say? So anyways, I get my eyebrow done and my ear done because I look crazy and I just not feel like myself right now. So come along with me, guys.
Stop listening to the instruction of the host. This just in case of a water landing and you put on this. Stop listening. Gotta play now, go crash. That's true, right? I've done that times. I've done the
water full out. Hot tea. Hey guys, I'm at Tastes and I cannot go here because guess what? Me never bring my mask, but Peter get have mask, so she gone in, gone by, and you have to go in one at a time. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just waiting on party and whatever. When it comes, I show you all that.
Give me at the phone.
So guys, yeah, picking a color for my room. So yeah. More some bright because you know my back.
Was a pink one?
You love pinky, yes, you love pink or something to pick pink.
You asked me to pick a color.
He said help me. I know people in the comment just say white and they did feel like grey. One nice stone grey would that look nice. But I don't know. Does that look cute?
I want this is too much. Okay.
This was really cute.
This one.
You know, I'm so hungry.
Why too dry? See here.
So guys, I choose the color blue. For some reason, I don't know why, but hopefully it looks good. You get me? Guys, who you know got a mini living room? You have to choose value alone. What if you cannot drink yourself? Guys, so today I buy one crab, right? Guess how much I pay for this look at thing. If I did ever know, I would buy it. Peter Cake, tell them how much I pay for this.
$250 Jamaican dollars.
For this, look for this. What? But it's bad still.
I'm gonna start.
Hey guys, good morning. So this is a brand new day and your girl made it to the hairdresser again because yesterday I was like we couldn't get to because of too much people. So, but anyways, I'm having some breakfast. May I taste some working at this? And may I have one cranberry water. So this is breakfast. I'm just there with the girl. Stressing to the ear this time. Never know say me wake up so early. Like I'm going to the doctor. 6 a.m. on them time, but 6:30 to be exact. You get me? I'm like, no, I don't want to get up. If Peter again never come for me and let me like bear everything, but I still live in bed. God no. So me get back to like what my ear I do. So guys, I'm back home. Your girl is tired because I had to wake up 6:30 to get ready to leave out at 7 to get my hair done. And so yeah, I'm home now, but I'm really tired, so I think I'm going to eat, then I'm going to take a nap, because trust me, if you guys could ever feel how tired I am, you would be in tears for me. But anywho, I'm going to take a nap, and yeah, I'm going to be take a shower, then eat, and probably take a nap or lay down. Only thing left for them guys are just my eyebrow and my eyelash. Period. But maybe I can see my ear soon and whatever. Hi guys, I'm here. Remember say I told you guys that I'm going to show you all my hair. Okay, I feel like a brand new. So anyways, this is it, the finish. But guys, I did some of my eyebrow and whatever. So I feel like yeah, this is how I'm going to end my vlog. So this is the end of my video. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. I know I'm probably so low as hell, but bye guys.
Hold me close.